Mike has 16 baseball cards. Nico has 17 times as many baseball cards as Mike does. How many baseball cards does Nico have? For this, I'm combining because I know that Nico has 17 times as many as Mike, that is a multiplication equation. So my equation is 16 times 17. In order to do that, I am going to use the area model process, and I'm going to label 10 and 6, 10 and 7, and multiply to get my products. Then I'm going to add up my products to get the full product. And my answer is B, 274. Pardon me. Look how easy it is to select the wrong answer if you don't look carefully. Look how close these two are. 272. You could also use the standard algorithm. 6 times 7 is 42. 1 times 7 is 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. Park my 0. 1 times 6. 1 times 1. And again, the same answer, just two different methods of getting there.